Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambu from Cloud Tech. Today I will talk about if you would like to attach IAM role on a particular EC2 instance, then how we can attach. There are two use cases like on running instance or on existing EC2 instance. If you would like to attach IAM role, then how we can attach, or if you would like to modify the IAM role, suppose on IAM role is already there, and if you would like to modify to some other IAM role, or if you would like to detach that particular IAM role from a EC2 instance, how we can do. And another use case like if you want to create a EC2 instance during the creation time only, if you would like to attach the IAM role, then how we can attach the IAM role on a particular EC2 instance. Okay guys, so let's move on to the AWS console. So this is my AWS console. Let's go to the EC2 dashboard. So I am already running one EC2 instance. So in this EC2 instance, we are going to attach the IAM role, and we will create one more EC2 instance, and in that also we will attach the IAM role. Okay guys. So let's first do the on existing EC2 instance. This is the running EC2 instance, and so for to attach first, which suppose if you have multiple EC2 instance here, right? Then first you have to select that EC2 instance, and then let's go to that action, and here we have like multiple option. Let's go to the security, and if you go to the security, there are two options. One is the modify IAM role, right? So let's click on that. If you click on that, then let's go to the drop down. Either you can create a IAM role from here if you don't have, or if you have already the IAM role, then just click on this drop down and then select this IAM role, and then update this IAM role. So this is how we can attach the IAM role on a running EC2 instance without any downtime, right? Zero downtime we can attach. There is no downtime is required. Okay guys, so now if you would like to detach this IAM role, then how we can do same for we have to select the EC2 instance, and then let's go to that action, and then go to the security and modify IAM role, and then again click on drop down, and then we can select the no IAM role. Okay, then update. While you are updating here, to one option it will ask like detach. You have to type that confirmation like d. Now IAM role is detached, right? Now let's move on to that another new instance, like during launch time, how we can attach the IAM role. So let's click on that launch instance, and let's select that demo IAM touch ec2, something like that. Any name you can select here, and then let's select the three tiers only, and let's select the key pair here, and let's select that existing security group, and let's go to the advanced, and here we have option that if you would like to attach the IAM role, we can attach. Here we have that option. So let's go to this, where it is IA metadata version, configuration, kernel, tenants, capacity, placement group, and store protection, shutdown behaviors, IAM role, right? Here we have option to IAM instance profile. Then you can select this one, and then we can launch the instance. So now our instance is, it will come in few seconds, it will come in running state. So if you now select that instance which we just created, and if you go to the settings and then security, modify option will not come until the instance is in running state. So guys, keep in mind, so if the instance is not running, you cannot do that modify IAM. You cannot change this IAM, only that running instance you can do. See, once it is running, then that option is from grayed out to it's becoming activated, right? Let's go to that, and we can see that whatever IAM we have selected, that is selected here, right? So I hope this session will helpful to you guys, and if you feel this video is valuable to you guys, then I will request you guys, please subscribe my channel and share surrounding with your friend. That will really inspire to me, and that will really help to how we can create a IAM role, and more details about IAM role. If you have any doubt, then I have already demonstrated that video. Please check it out. That, so I will give that link to this video description also. Okay guys, chalo, see you in my next video. Bye.